This is the ASC4 assignment. This is about Ionic App creating and including web services into the Ionic App. First, we have to create a Ionic App in command prompt, and here you can create an Ionic App using Ionic create it will be Ionic start any app. You can give any name. I will be giving my app name, and you can select the template as tabs or side menu. I will be selecting tabs, so you can see it over here, and you can select Angular, and it will automatically generate the app like that, so that you can open your app in any of the code editor. Now in this assignment we will be doing the code in VS Code. So here you go. This is the app we have created, and these are all the app packages that will be created while we are creating the app, and into resources and everything. Our main app will be in the source. So here you will be having app. In the app component you will have spec.ts, ts, html, and module ts. You can whatever the modules you are going to give in this app, it will be all present in module. And html is for app html, and this is how it looks like. It will be redirected to root page, and here you can see it here. We have created 3 pages, and these are the pages. Here you go. These are the pages. One is the about page, one is the contact page, one is the home page. About, contact, and home. In the about page you will be having another files. They are HTML, CSS, spec.ts, and ts. The main user files will be HTML and ts. In HTML you can write whatever the code there will be. So, and in home and contact you can write your own HTML code. So in our case we have given sign in about HTML and registration in contact HTML, and in about HTML there will be in about HTML there will be the sign up page, and in the contact HTML there will be search page. Like we have called API here, and we have included the API into this, and you will be having tabs. This is the tablet menu, and you can find in which tab contains which. You can find the whole information over here, and now we can see the output of this complete image. You can run your whole code here by giving the command Ionic App. Okay, now you will go see what the output will be. Yeah, this is how your output looks like. This is the login page. If you give any invalid credentials, then it will direct you to the registration page, and once you register successfully, then it will direct you to the search page. It is where our API keys are involved, and you can just read the APIs we have included can be seen over in the API reference, and the APIs that we have included are Search API of Google and also Knowledge API, and you can see, and this is the template for Android phone, and this is the template for iOS, and this is the whole project. That's it. Thank you.